Hello everybody, this is Dot, anti-natalist, and I was at my hotel in Denver and I just typed in vegan food, and this is the closest place that came up, and this is a food truck, and it's very interesting. They park on a residential area, and apparently the owner lives, at this house, and here is their website, veganvan.com, and there's their phone number. Oh, let me see. Comb is in the way. But how cool is this, huh? So they provide paint pens right there on the cup for writing on this metal side of the van, and I scribbled my YouTube channel as well as my quote, "Don't have biological kids, they will suffer, age, and die." Sad. And don't procreate, save the planet. Very, very cool place. I'm so glad I came here. So this is their menu, and I ordered the Crunchwrap Supreme, and the nacho cheese sauce is made from nutritional yeast. I also got the crispy fried tofu chicken, but I didn't get a sandwich. I just got it in like a patty, and I'm eating it, and it's very, very good. So let me show you the location, and this is in the Central Park area of Denver. It's on Steel Street, and they're here like all day long, so it's really, really cool. This, I just randomly found this. This is a fluke, and it's really, really cool. So the food is delicious. I'm going to go over that in just a minute. So I got the Crunchwrap Supreme, and they make their own queso, and they use Vitalife cheeses, vegan cheeses, and there is a bus stop right here, and a bike you can rent. So I'm going to sit down and discuss the food. This fried chicken coated tofu is excellent. It is very crunchy. It tastes better than the fried chicken places I used to go to, actually. Very fresh. They cook to order. And the Crunchwrap Supreme, if anybody knows, this is a takeoff on Taco Bell. There's a crunchy taco inside, and then a flour tortilla is folded over the ingredients and grilled. And this is with a beef seitan mixture. I mean, it is excellent. I mean, truthfully, I really wish I had this in my area. I would give the Crunchwrap like a 9.5 out of 10. They have their own, they make their own salsa too. The fried chicken, the tofu patty, I would give a 9. And only because I think it should be seasoned a little more. I think the tofu should be seasoned. The fried batter is perfect though. Very, very crunchy. loaded with protein. Very, very, very good. I would just like a sprinkle of seasoning salt. But this Crunchwrap Supreme is totally excellent. Very healthy. Exceptional taste, actually. So there's been people lined up. There's been at least 3 customers for the entire time I've been here, which is about 40 minutes. Very, very interesting. I wish more people would do this. I would actually like to support somebody that does this in my local area, but I don't think vegans are too common in a Catholic-centered community like mine. It seems like religious people are not too compassionate when it comes to animals. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't.